Riley, get out of the car, dude. What the heck, dude? Riley, get out of there. Riley, get your fat boy out of here. Riley, hey, out.
Oh my God.
Riley, this way.
Riley.
Riley.
Why do you want to leave us?
What is he doing?
What is he doing?
Dude. We got the crew out here. We're doing the yard sale. It's insane out here, guys. We're blowing up. No, but we just had our first customers, and they were super awesome. And I think they bought something, didn't they?
Yeah, they got some new Jordans.
Yeah, Jordan. $10.
Yeah.
Dude, that's sick, actually. Dang. So yeah, it's been raining all morning, but now it's still only what, 9:30 or something, and it's clearing up. So yeah, yard sale is on. I'm eating all the cookies, so you better get here fast and check out all the plumbing that I've done in the van. We now have water pressure from the water pump, and all the plumbing lines are in for the shower and the sink. Just drilled a hole in the floor. But yeah, we're fanning ourselves with all this cash. We did pretty good. We did pretty good.
I'm pretty happy.
And yeah, definitely.
Yeah, I'm pretty happy. Thanks, guys.
Yeah. Thanks for everybody who came out. And there's a beetle on my arm. Oh, it was one of those things that stung me yesterday. So we're still out here. It's like 3 o'clock or something. We're still out here, and people are still coming. So, yeah. But guys, the rough plumbing is done for the van, and the shower pan's installed, as well as the shower drain and the shower trap underneath the van. So, we're making a lot of progress today.
And Zach cleaned the van for the first time in like a month.
Yeah, I did clean the van. Sick. Super nice. Had to get some flamers. You can always tell when Sonny makes them, dude, because they're freaking legit.
Perfect.
Thank you, Sonny.
Perfectly stuffed.
We know you made these. We know you made these.
Tomorrow.
We're just having us a morning, and I'm making some Nutella with peanut butter here. So we're gonna.
It's not Nutella.
It is gonna be Nutella.
No, it's not.
I'm making Nutella.
It's not the same.
It's gonna be Nutella.
Can't you just put the cocoa powder in the peanut butter?
I'm about to right now.
Yeah, but why did you put coconut oil in it?
Because it gets all chalky. You can't. Gonna be sick. So we're currently looking at shower doors. The one we found that will work the best, I think, is 62 inches tall, and our door frame is 65 inches tall. So I'm trying to avoid ducking getting in the shower, but I don't think we can really get around it.
So to get in, that's all you're gonna have to duck over is less than that. Do it. your whole shower experience kind of sucks.
Yeah, it does. I'm too tall for the shower I built nearly. But I didn't have a choice. Didn't have a choice. I mean, yeah, you're good. I'm just gonna sit and shower, guys. It's still better than no shower for me. The door we want is a sliding door, and it will mount to the top of this on a track, and here going up and along the top. So we're ordering the shower door from Yewww. They're calling it a retractable shower screen. It's about 200 bucks.
$42 for shipping.
Crap.
Gotta be out.
That's messed up. Was not expecting that. And so now we're getting started on the mission. Oh, dude. Super weird to carry this. Whew. She is definitely not a cargo van anymore. I can barely fit in here. But we got it.
Oh God. Oh God.
Good.
Oh my god.
Stop.
Oh shit. Holy crap.
I hate painting.
Oh. How's it going, dude? Otis. Yeah, dude. He's like, scratch my butt. Scratch my butt.
Like about it.
Oh, oh, yeah. All right, so Noah is such a good friend that he's coming to help us paint. And we're almost done with the bathroom. Yeah, we're about to have a painting party, so. Rewarded with a incredible dinner. Let's see what's going on in here, dude. Wow. Holy crap. Look at that. Oh yeah. Peace out, dude. Peace out, skaters.
High five.
You gotta do it fast and then I slow mo. Thanks for helping, dude.
This good time.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Now making his way back across the world right now. 20-minute drive at least, dude.
Long way to go.
Yes. Thank you, dude.